Our smoke alarm alert is back in Salem at the office of State Fire Marshal to listen to Deputy State Fire Marshal Jason Kane and hear what he has to say about why smoke alarms are important.
Hi, I'm Jason Kane, and I'd like to talk about smoke alarms and how they're important for you and your family. Did you know that half of the fire deaths in Oregon were without a working smoke alarm? You may have less than 3 minutes to escape a home fire. To help protect you and your family, it is important to have working smoke alarms. For more fire safety information, please contact the Oregon office of State Fire Marshal.